Hi all, welcome to Lia's Number Scheme. Divisibility rules ആണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. 1 തൊട്ട് 10 വരെയുള്ള എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സിന്റെയും ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി റൂൾസ് കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് കാണാത്തവർ ഒന്ന് പോയി ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വരിക. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ 11 തൊട്ട് 20 വരെയുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സിന്റെ ഡിവിസിബിലിറ്റി റൂൾസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. കൂടുതൽ മാത്സ് അറിവുകൾക്ക് ഈ ചാനൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. Divisibility by 11. From the given number, subtract the sum of even numbered places from the sum of odd numbered places. If the difference is a multiple of 11 or 0, we can say that the given number is divisible by 11. Consider the example. 5753. Ordering the places, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. From this, we can see that the sum of even numbered places, that is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And the sum of odd numbered places, that is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Difference of both 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So we can say that the given number 5753 is divisible by 11. Consider another example. 10,978. Ordering the places 4, 5, we can see that sum of even numbered places, that is 0 plus 7, which is equal to 7, and sum of odd numbered places, that is 1 plus 9 plus 8, that is equal to 18. The difference 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. We can say that the difference is 11. That given number 10,978 is divisible by 11. Divisibility by 12. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, we can say that that number is divisible by 12. Consider the example 6828. We can see that this number is divisible by 3 or not. For that, we have to check the divisibility rule of 3. What was the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits must be multiple of 3. So checking the sum of the digits, that is 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8, we get 24. That is divisible by 3. Next, what was the divisibility rule of 4? The last two digits must be the multiple of 4. That is, here the last two digits is 28 and 28 is 4 into 7. That is multiple of 4. Hence, it is divisible by 4. Since the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, we get that the number is divisible by 12. Divisibility by 13. From the given number, multiply the last digit by 4 and add to the remaining digits. If the result is a multiple of 13, we can say that the given number is divisible by 13. Consider the example 71,357. The last digit is 7. We have to multiply 7 with 4. Then we get 28. Adding with the remaining terms, 7,135 plus 28. We will get 7,163. Since 7,163 is quite a larger number, we can repeat the same method as above. Considering the last digit 3, multiplying 3 with the 4, we will get 12. So adding 12 with the 716. That is 716 plus 12 is equal to 728. 728 also is quite a larger number, so we can apply the above method. Considering 8 as the last digit, 8 is multiplied with the 4 to give 32 and adding with the remaining digits, that is 72 plus 32, we will get 104. Here also we can perform the above method. Considering 4 as the last digit, we can multiply 4 with the 4, which is equal to 16, and add with the 10. That is 10 plus 16 is equal to 26, which is a multiple of 13. So we can say that 71,357 is divisible by 13. Divisibility by 14. If the number is divisible by 2 and 7, we can say that that number is divisible by 14. For example, consider the number 7,504. This number is even, that is 4 is in the last digit, so hence this is divisible by 2. Now what about 7? How to apply the divisibility rule of 7? What was the divisibility rule of 7? Yes, multiply the last digit with 2. That is 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and subtract it from the remaining digits. That is 750 minus 8 is equal to 742. 742 is quite a large number, so we can repeat the method above. That is, the last digit is 2, we have to double the last digit, we get 4, and subtract it from the remaining digits. That is 74 minus 4 is equal to 70. We know that 70 is equal to 7 into 10. That is a multiple of 7. Hence we can say that 7504 is a multiple of 7. Hence it is divisible by both 2 and 7. We can say that this is divisible under 14. Divisibility by 15. If the number is divisible by 3 and 5, we can say that the given number is divisible by 15. Consider the example 5535. We have to check first the divisibility rule of 3. For that, we have to add the digits of the numbers. So 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 18. 18 is a multiple of 3 and hence it is divisible by 3. Next, what was the rule for divisibility of 5? Yes, the last digit must be 0 or 5. Here the last digit is 5 and hence it is divisible by 5. So, the number is divisible by 15. Divisibility by 16. If the last 4 digit of the number is a multiple of 16, we can say that the number is divisible by 16. Consider the example 87,824. The last 4 digit is 7,824. We have to check that is 7,824 is a multiple of 16. For that we have to perform the long division. That is 7,824 division upon 16. We get that is we get 7,824 is equal to 16 times 489. That is 7,824 is a multiple of 16 and hence the whole number, that is 87,824 is divisible by 16. Divisibility by 17. Given the number, multiply the last digit of the number by 5, subtract it from the remaining digits, and if the result is a multiple of 17, then we can say that the number given is divisible by 17. Consider the example 9,112. Here the last digit is 2. Multiplying 2 by 5, we get 10. We have to subtract it from the remaining digits. That is 911 minus 10, we will get 901. Again, multiply the last digit with a 5. That is 1 into 5 is equal to 5 and subtract it from the remaining digits. That is 90 minus 5, we get 85. Again, we can do the same method as above. That is, multiply the last digit by 5, we will get 25 and subtract it to the remaining digits. That is 8 minus 25, we will get minus 17. That is a multiple of 17. Hence, we can say that 9,112 is divisible by 17. Divisibility by 18. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 9, we can say that the given number is divisible by 18. Consider the example 11,772. 2 is even number. The last digit of this number is 2, hence it is divisible by 2. What about 9? We have to check the divisibility rule of 9. For that, we have to add the digits of the number. That is, we get 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 18. 18 is a multiple of 9 and hence we can say that it is divisible under 9. So, it is divisible under 2 and 9 and hence 11,772 is divisible under 18. Divisibility by 19. Given a number, multiply the last digit of the number by 2, add it to the remaining digits, the result must be a multiple of 19. we have to check that. For example, consider the number 8664. First part we have to do, we have to multiply the last digit with the number 2. That is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Next, add this 8 to the remaining digits. That is 866 plus 8, we will get 874. Again perform the above method. Here the last digit is 4. Compute 4 into 2, we will get 8. Again add this 8 to the remaining digits. That is 87 plus 8, we will get 95. Again double the last digit. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 and add it to the remaining digits. That is 9 plus 10, which is equal to 19. 19 is a multiple of 19 and hence we can say that 8664 is divisible under 19. Divisibility by 20. If the number ends with 20, 40, 60, 80 or 00, we can say that number is divisible by 20. For example, consider 2020. Since the last two digit ends with 20, we can say that this number is divisible under 20. 2020 divided upon 20, we will get 101. The same method will be applied for those numbers ending with 40, 60, 80 or 00. All those numbers will be divisible by 20.